going to discuss the balancing act of juggling health, fitness, and beauty in a busy schedule. We all know that looking and feeling our best is important, but it's easy to get caught up in the daily grind and neglect our well-being. So, let's dive into some tips on how to maintain a healthy lifestyle while still making time for self-see. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell button to receive all new videos. First and foremost, it's important to create a schedule that works for you. This means setting aside time each day for yourself, whether it's a morning workout, a walk in the park, or a bubble bath. By prioritizing your self-care, you're more likely to stay motivated and committed to your health and fitness goals. Next, make sure you're eating a balanced diet. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains into your meals. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks as much as possible, as these can negatively impact your health and appearance. Remember, a healthy diet is not only about what you eat, but also about how you eat. Now, let's talk about exercise. Find an activity that you enjoy and can stick to, whether it's dancing, swimming, or yoga. Regular exercise not only improves your physical health, but also boosts your mood and energy levels. And if you're not into exercising in person, consider incorporating physical activity into your daily routine, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or walking instead of driving. Lastly, don't forget the importance of beauty sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as this is crucial for maintaining good health and preventing skin issues such as acne and dark spots. Additionally, keep your skin hydrated and healthy by using a gentle cleanser and moisturizer each day. In conclusion, balancing health, fitness, and beauty in a busy schedule is possible by creating a plan, prioritizing self-care, eating a balanced diet, engaging in regular exercise, and taking care of your skin. Remember, your well-being is essential, so make sure you're investing time and effort into maintaining your health and appearance.